what people do when they are bored. Use sanitizers, play games, or watch TV. Televisions are used in almost every house, and by far they have become an important part in our life. But ever wonder what's inside a television? So in today's video, we will look inside a television and see about how does the LED TV works. As the name suggests, LED TV uses LEDs as backlight for its function. However, if we use LEDs directly as backlight, they will produce bright spots on certain portions of the screen. And to eliminate this effect, we use a series of filters to produce an evenly distributed backlight. Let us see them one by one. It is necessary that the light produced is directed only in one direction. And for this, reflectors are used. Reflectors redirect the light towards a given subject or a scene, which here in our case is the television screen. However, you can notice a considerable difference in the brightness. In one side, the brightness is high, whereas towards the end, the light is a bit dimmer. And to evenly distribute the light, we use light guides. They are simple polycarbonate sheets with high absorption ratio. Moreover, to distribute the light evenly, small circular extrusions are also provided that distribute the light evenly throughout the medium. But this has one problem. Due to circular extrusions present on the light guides, you can notice them when they glow. And to reduce them, diffusers are used. Diffusers are simple translucent sheets that scatter the light falling on them, and hence it reduces the light spots generated from the light guide. Some manufacturers provide two diffusers, which further reduces this effect. However, during the scattering process, a considerable amount of brightness is lost, which is enhanced by the use of prism films. Prism film works on the principle of total internal reflection. A light beam is made of 7 different colors. When light enters from lighter to denser medium, it changes its direction, which happens due to change in speed of denser medium. This process is called refraction. There exists a certain angle called the critical angle beyond which the light cannot further refract and gets reflected back. This process is called total internal reflection. This technology is used for transforming information at high speed without loss by means of optical fibers. But the basics lies with total internal reflection. Prism film enhances the brightness coming from the LED lights, and this entire backlight then enters the main display module. The display module begins with the horizontal polarizer. Polarizers are plain transparent sheets that allows lights with certain polarization to enter while absorbing the other. Polarization plays an important role in televisions. Without polarization, what you will see is absolute brightness. At the end of the video, you will better understand that why polarizers are important. After polarizers are set of electrodes that are used to charge the crystals. These crystals redirect the light further onto the RGB mask, which houses millions of red, blue and green pixels, which forms an image on the screen. Let me explain with an example to see how about an image is formed due to 3 pixels. Consider this image. It is made of millions of colors, but all colors in nature is a mixture of red, blue and green color. Suppose you want to see red color on one pixel, then the light exiting from the polarizer is bent to certain angle by the crystals, which makes the light beam fall only on the red pixel, thus illuminating the red pixel. Now, in another case, suppose you want to see the color magenta to display on certain portion of screen. Magenta is a combination of red and blue, so the crystals redirect the light to fall on red and blue pixel, thereby generating the color magenta. Now in the third case, let us consider that we want to see sky blue color. To obtain this color, electrodes manipulate the voltage in such a way that some portion of light is absorbed by the crystals and a low intensity light falls onto the blue pixel, thus generating the sky blue color. So with the mixture of appropriate voltage, millions of colors can be obtained which are used to display an image. Now the image obtained from this is bright image, and all you can see is a white display. So in order to see a real image on screen, polarizers are used. Just see how a polarizer filter filters the image so that a clear visual image can be obtained. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and raise the bell icon to remain notified about our latest updates.